going on, guys? It's AJ, and today we're continuing the series. We left off on Tuesday, January 16th, and so we're going to go to the next day. And today's gonna be probably a shorter video because I got work in less than an hour, but I did want to get this work done so I can hurry up and get on the game. I'm just kidding, guys. It's definitely not a rush to get on the game, but you know. Okay, so we tapped into this 4-hour bearish gap. We did take out these lows though. Let me see. Tapped in and tapped out. I don't know. This is do have this bearish gap performing. If we can get a close that gap, that would be ideal. This all is just doesn't look ideal. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Let me clear these drawings though. Got this 1 hour. What do we see on daily? Anything on a daily? Didn't quite yet. We could come down to these lows. Okay. It just looks like daily chop, if I'm being honest. We could be very bullish though. 4-hour chop. I think we're bearish. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Not really an entry though. Nothing really presenting itself. Low swept in, it's filling in the rest of this imbalance. This is such a strong displacement. It's just like we might just want to fill this liquidity, so I feel like I want to look for a short. Let's see if we get any sort of reversal, continuation down. Let's just see what we get. It's 10. Damn it, no, got 2 minutes. Guys, I'm gonna get the subscription. If this series not over and I get my money up real quick with my job, bro, I'm gonna get this because it's like definitely an investment I need. We don't have anything in the inverse. The closest is the 5-minute. If we get this 5-minute inverse, then that's a strong long. Ooh, that didn't close though. Yeah. Hell no. Hell no. It's really close to. That's a close. I think that's a close, boys. We're gonna buy right there off the inverse. Just see where this goes. Pretty risky trade. Our break even is gonna be at this high for that's like 0.5. We are in this 15-minute. Damn. Should have checked that. If this trade doesn't hit, I'll know it's because we were in this 15-minute. And we want to continue lower, but we're already in. So let's just have our TP. 1 minute. Let's see. Unmitigated gap. Where do we have an unmitigated gap? Unmitigated gap right about here. It's only 300 though. Cool. this point would be break even. Come on. Damn, edging our shit. Alright, cool. Alright, one trade, one dub. Where do we fucking answer? Holy fuck. I don't even remember what we answered. This 5 minute had to be. Yep, it was. I was about to say, I swear I entered a 5 minute. Stops was at this low. Targeted about 1 to 1. Where's our stop? Yeah, it was like 1 to 1 ish. Where did we get filled? I would say this was only a setup because we were in a 15 minute. We just didn't get our stop loss hit, so pretty fortunate in that case. Pretty decent trade, late into market open though, but see how it plays out. I wouldn't say we could have held because it's already past the time we would have been done trading, so I probably would have stopped. Like I wouldn't have any runners, but yep. Next trade, gentlemen. That trade was what, like 450, maybe. Don't even remember. I got work. Am I recording? Oh my god. For some reason, I just had the feeling I wasn't recording. Let's see. Taking out these daily highs. Interesting. I honestly think we're bullish. I think this is going to be very bullish. We never filled this gap, but I think we're still bullish, bro. I'm not going to lie. Bullish until we take out these highs. And even then, I doubt we're still going to. That would be all-time highs. So we would want to trade higher. Want to trade with the trend right about now. So, and we do have this 15-minute. We have this 15-minute gap that we're inversing with this next candle. Unfortunately, I wouldn't enter off this because it's pre-market, but oh man, that sucks. Okay, anything I would have done would have got stopped out anyway. And I would be bullish. Honestly, any trade bullish, I would not mind entering. Gotta mark out our highs here. Targets. Don't think we're gonna be bearish. Do not think we're gonna be bearish at all, gentlemen. But we do want to see a nice area to re-entry. Couldn't enter off that 1 minute gap, but really early into the trading day. Do have a 5 minute. I think I'll enter off this 5 minute. Come on. Give me some retracement, baby. Got filled. Placing order. Here's our take profit. These highs. Stop loss would be honestly right there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but just put fucking 400. Where's our break even? We are going break even. This 3 minute. Cook for me, baby. Cook. Cook. No. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't you dare fucking do it. Did we inverse this? Didn't inverse this. Fuck. Okay. Tough situation. What if we didn't inverse this gap? Would I have just left this trade right here? I don't know. We're already in, but actually our stop loss would be right there now. Like we're de-risking. This is so choppy, bro. What the fuck is happening? Alright, we're break even. I don't like how choppy that trade was though. Like that was very like weird. Playing around with these highs, man. Our take profit is there. I would honestly have it here instead. And with this, where did I have it? Oh fuck, I don't know what I just did. If it was right there, I'll have a trailing stop starting at that point. Oh my fucking god, we got break even. And it's going to TP. Cool. Well, break even long. Where do we enter? 5 minute stops at these lows. If we had our stop loss here, we would have lost. Stop at this low. Take profit these highs, but we got break even anyway. We went break even once we hit this high, unfortunately. So that sucks. Literally stopped out by like 20 ticks. That's it, or like 5 ticks. Not a bad trade though. Not a bad trade. Continuing with the trend. I wonder if this goes bearish after sweeping out these lows. I mean highs. Yeah, we're still trying to go up towards those highs. We got it. Okay. Next day is gonna be tricky since we're trading all-time highs. I'm back in Chicago. Man, I don't know what the fuck I should do. Bullish. I hear PB Blake say we're bullish until proven wrong. Like when you're at all-time highs. So I think first thing I want to do is where can we retrace to as we're bearish right now? Like it's going down right now. We got 4-hour gaps. I like that. I like that. When I walk into the building, is this feeling of chilling? Stop it, stop it, stop it. I've had enough. I've had enough. I want to answer all this. I've had enough. I've had enough. I wonder if my habits kill me. Let me drop this to you. I don't know why, but I get that feeling. When I'm walking no, they didn't. It's not the biggest result you got in a leg, bro. Can't answer off that. Just mess with me. I got monsters in my basement, and they keep bro, what is what? What is texting me right now? And we don't want to inverse this shit. Like replacing order. got saved. Nice break even. That's 3 trades, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up. So overall, one win for what, 500 maybe, and 2 break evens. So hope you guys enjoyed. This was from the 17th to, wait, hold on, guys, I forgot. Yeah, this was 17th to 19th. All right. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next video.